Hi, this is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. In this lesson, we are going to learn 不知不觉，不知不觉，不知不觉 word by word. 不 no, not. 不 no, not. 不 no, not. 知 feel. 知 feel. 知 feel. 不 no, not. 不 no, not. 不 no, not. 觉 sense. 觉 sense. 觉 sense. 不 is like no, right? So you don't have a feeling or you don't sense that something is coming. So when we're describing 不知不觉 means, oh, I don't know it's happening, but it is happening. For example, 不知不觉我来中国已经有2年了。不知不觉我来中国已经有2年了。不知不觉我来中国已经有2年了。It means, wow, I didn't realize this. I've been here for like 2 years. And some people been here for 10 years. Oh, wow, that's really fast. I didn't even realize it. They didn't even realize it. And let me give you more examples. 不知不觉我就爱上了中国的美食。不知不觉我就爱上了中国的美食。不知不觉我就爱上了中国的美食。Now you learn the definition of 不知不觉. So next time, you can try to depict something or express your feeling like time really fast. You didn't realize, something or somebody has grown so much. You can say 不知不觉. You didn't realize this happened. This is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channels and Google Lingo Yes. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.